Hello everyone and welcome back to the EnTech channel. The 2S7 Pion is a 203mm self-propelled gun. This artillery system was first observed by Western intelligence in 1975. It is the most powerful conventional artillery system in the world. It was designed to engage remote and important enemy targets, such as hostile command posts and fortified positions. The 2S7 Pion entered service with the Soviet Army in 1976. This artillery system was exported to Czechoslovakia and Poland. The Czechoslovak Army operated 12 units that were delivered in 1984. These were retired in 1994. Poland obtained 6 units in 1985. The Polish systems were withdrawn in 2006. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, the 2S7 and improved 2S7N systems were passed on to successor states. The 2S7 Pion is armed with a powerful 203mm gun, fitted with a load assisting system. It fires ordinary and rocket-assisted fortified shells and chemical and nuclear shells. A standard fortified shell weighs 110 kilograms and contains 17.8 kilograms of explosives. It has a maximum range of 37.5 kilometers. The rocket-assisted shell weighs 103 kilograms and contains 13.8 kilograms of explosives. It has a maximum range of 47.5 kilograms. The ammunition load of the 2S7 Pion consists of only 8 shells. Only 4 shells are carried by this artillery system. Remaining 4 shells are carried by escorting vehicles. The maximum rate of fire is 1.5 shells per minute. Brief out-of-action time allows the Pion to fire 1 or 2 shells and leave its firing position even before the first shell hits its target located up to 47 kilometers away. This shoot and scoot capability allows for avoiding counter-battery fire. The only defensive armament carried by Pion, besides crew individual weapons, is a portable air defense missile launcher. The 2S7 Pion has a crew of 14. However, only 7 crew members are seated inside the vehicle and the remaining are carried by an escorting truck or armored personnel carrier. The 2S7 uses a tracked chassis that was designed specifically for this artillery system. It uses a number of automotive components from the T-72 and T-80 main battle tanks. It is powered by a V46-1 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 750 horsepower. This artillery system is also fitted with the auxiliary power unit, developing 24 EP and powering all systems when the main engine is shut down. 2S7M Malka variants. 2S7M Malka, an improved variant of the 2S7 Pion, sometimes referred as Pion M. It has an improved fire control system. Rate of fire increased to 2.5 rounds per minute. It also carries 8 shells instead of 4. The 2S7M Malka entered service with the Soviet Army in 1983. Between 2020 and 2021, Russian Army refurbished and upgraded some of its 2S7N systems in order to keep them in operational service. New gearboxes and electrical systems were fitted, as well as new communication systems. In 2022, this artillery system was used during the Russian invasion of Ukraine.